Hi friends, and how are you doing today? Today's video is very important as it is related to IELTS speaking part 1 topic, introductory topic, puzzles. Examiners may ask you questions related to this topic in your real exam in part 1 of this test, and if this topic is going to be there, what different questions the examiner can ask you and what can be the relevant or ideal answers for these questions. This is what I'm going to share with you in today's video. You're watching YouTube channel Ramandeep IELTS Coaching, and if you're new here, do subscribe the channel and share with your other mates who are preparing for the IELTS test. The very first question related to puzzles that the examiner can ask you is, did you enjoy solving puzzles in childhood? And I always recommend that the answers have to be positive all the time. Even if you didn't enjoy solving puzzles like me, but still, my recommendation is not to say I didn't enjoy, rather say, yes, indeed, I enjoyed solving puzzles a lot. It was my favorite thing to do in childhood. I must say that solving puzzles really helped me to improve my concentration and spend my free time in a productive way. Another question that the examiner can ask you is, what kind of or what different kind of puzzles children like to solve or play with? I hope you know a bit of variety of puzzles. There are riddles. I hope you can see this cube, and you must have tried as well. And then we have Sudoku, and there are word puzzles as well. So this is what we can talk about. Well, there is a wide range or a wide variety of puzzles available. I still remember when I was around 5 or 7 years old, I started to solve the picture puzzles and word puzzles, but later on I also enjoy cube as well as Sudoku. Another question that the examiner can ask is, have you ever received or gifted a puzzle? And I must say that it is something very common to gift to a child. So you may either say, yes, I have gifted, but here I'm going to say, in fact, I have received numerous puzzles as gift in childhood, because my father knows that I love the puzzles a lot. So on my birthday, he often get me puzzle books as a gift. In fact, I still have lots of puzzles that I received as a gift in childhood. So this way you can answer every question, you can come up with a couple of statements for it, and make sure you are hitting exactly what the examiner is asking, so that the examiner doesn't have to repeat the same question or has to ask you why. You yourself answer every question with a logical reason. There can be another question related to the same topic. Do you prefer to solve puzzles online? And I believe that you all, because the world is going online, we are going digital. So here the reasonable answer can be, ever since I have started to use smartphone, I am solving the puzzles online, because these puzzles are readily available online, and the best part is that we can compete with other players or with computers, which makes puzzle solving even more fun and enjoyable. Yet another question related to the same topic can be, how solving puzzles benefits a person? Well, it's a kind of opinion-based question. So even there is a cue card, here is the link of the same cue card, a puzzle you solve or a puzzle you like solving. If this is the cue card, I must say that you prepare the answer well ahead, because sometimes it's get really tricky to speak continuously for 2 minutes on a given topic. So something tricky like this can really confuse you. So if you have read or gone through the answer prior, then you can make a better story in front of the examiner. But still, this question can be more in the part 3 of the test, but still I think we know very much the benefits of playing puzzles. It's a brainy exercise, and of course it improves your concentration, and of course it gives you the sense of accomplishment when you solve any puzzle. So there are a few things that we can talk about. As far as I can understand, these brain teasers are wonderful mental exercise that really helps to improve our cognition. In addition, I must say that solving puzzles improve our ability to concentrate. Moreover, I can say that people who solve puzzles, they learn something very important, which is not to give up at any cost. And these are the questions that the examiner can ask you related to this topic. If you have any other question or doubt on your mind related to any topic of IELTS, you can simply share in the comment section of this video, and we will surely come up with more videos for you to help in your IELTS test preparation. This is very much all. Bye bye for now.